I'm at the Florida Trail at mile marker 170.6 northbound. This is the approach to the Chandler East campsite. This is Waterboy speaking. Resurrection ferns, they look a little dry right now. I'm surprised. Looks like we got more trail maintenance work here to do. Kick it out of the way. We got some real nice blazing on this section of the trail. Orange blazes backed up with white paint. Real nice day, and not quite sure what the temperature is. I'd say about 70, 75. Clear skies. Could almost drive a Mack truck down this trail. They got it mowed so wide. Up ahead on this blazing post, there's a clear plastic bottle with a screw cap on it, and you will see it's for Caesar weed, which is an invasive plant here, and they have little sticker type things that cling to your clothing. So this is an attempt to you can pick it off your clothing and put it in the jar instead of throwing it back down on the ground. See if I got any on myself. I don't think I do. Haven't run into any yet. Oh, here's the camp. Oh, okay. Here's the campsite turn. That goes that way with the blue blaze, and we go this way for the orange blaze. I'm heading on the blue to the campsite. This will give the hikers an idea, if you're planning on camping here, what to expect. It's only a 1/10 of a mile or so from the campsite down to the Kissimmee River, which is a water source. Not always the best, but at least it's water. Do recommend that you filter it, of course. Unless, of course, you find one of my water caches, which is city water. I can hear a train in the distance. That particular rail or line does carry Amtrak down to Okeechobee and Miami. Going the other way, it goes through Sebring and up into Orlando. If you listen close, maybe we can hear the train. I can even see it. Or no, actually that's, I guess I'm totally wrong. But there is a track over here that is what I said, but what I'm seeing over there is excavation equipment, which is part of the Kissimmee River restoration project. That's kind of cool out there with that tree and the vegetation below it. I apologize for the long movie, but I thought I was closer to the campsite than this, so. But at least we're on the blue trail. That means we will run into it. Looks like there was some horses here also. Generally the rule is horses are not allowed on foot trails. But you can't convince everybody of that. We're getting close. I think This next sign is where the campsite is. Here's a lonesome gate. You've heard of the bridge to nowhere. This is the pasture farm gate to nowhere. Ooh, look at that river down there. They're really digging up stuff. There goes a dump truck. So I guess if you're going to camp here this year, 2020, January, you will run into some construction noise. Here's the campsite. Nicely mowed at the moment. There's a grate there for cooking, in case you brought your steaks with you in your backpacks. Another Caesar weed container strapped to the hiker registration mailbox. Oh, all kinds of stuff in there. Sliced pears, sauerkraut, but I think they're empty. No, that's a full can of sauerkraut, but an empty can of sliced pears. And a logbook. And all kinds of surprises in there. Who knows? It looks like somebody made a nest. I'll take care of that when I get done with the video. Let's walk down by the river and see what they're doing. The Kissimmee River floodplain restoration. Years ago they used to, or not used to, years ago they constructed a man-made canal so they could control the water better, and discovered that it significantly affected the water flow down to the Everglades. So now they're trying to correct things and put things back in order, filling in the canals and letting the Kissimmee River flood naturally, which allows water filtration, of course, and what we call the sheet flow of water instead of channelized water. I think I'm running into a warning sign up here. They probably don't want me to go any further. So your access to the river may not be available here if you want water. They are busy, busy, busy out here. Construction area, keep out. Well, I see a picnic area over here. Maybe it's allowed. Maybe the construction workers set up here. Wow, they really got that Really, things are changed out here. This is part of a campsite. There's a grate there. Bunch of riprap over there, pile of rocks. And between the close-up, the roadway, and then you got the pile of dirt, then you got some greenery. You look real close, the river's out there beyond the greenery, and then more sand way up high. So, ongoing project. A lot of years to complete it, I guess. With that, I think I'll sign off, close this video down. This is Waterboy, and we'll talk to you later.